Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now guess what I'm doing today? I'm doing error code 01 on the Biasi. Something I done last week, the week before, the week before, and the week before. Such a common fault on these Biasis. Now this is a short video. I'll be sharing with you how I diagnose this and repair this. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now normally when I get an issue like that, 01 on the Biasi, I normally go straight to the ignition electrodes. Now that's a very common fault on these. Okay, I know that it could be the gas valve, it could be the flame sensing probe, it could also be the circuit board. It could also be the gas meter might be switched off because it might be a token meter. Now on this one, I kind of guessed it right. I just went to the ignition electrodes and guess what? Look at them, they're bent. My first option normally is to straighten them, but these ones, right, I don't think even if I straighten them a couple of probably a week or two later, they probably go again. So what I'm going to do is just going to go and get some new ones and put the new ones in, and hopefully that will do the job. Right, I got some new ones, and whenever you put new ones in, always try to put a new gasket on, because they're brittle, those gaskets are. Now guys, I'd like to take this opportunity to let you know we specialize in boiler repairs, domestic and commercial. We cover Birmingham, Solihull, Knoll, Dulwich, Redditch. We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Wocesterbosch, Vaillant, Ideal, and many more. We also repair Gladiator, Boilermate, Pulsar Coil. Now if your boiler is broken down, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Now back to this one, I've changed the electrodes on it and it's fired up. It's working fine. Guys, another one sorted. Easy to repair that was. I just changed the electrodes on it. They were bent. I didn't want to mess about with them, so I just changed them. But if your boiler is working in Birmingham, South Birmingham, give me a call. Domestic or commercial, Birmingham Boiler Fix.